So Mark, I had a hive that swarmed on me the other day. One of these fall swarms. Oh man.
Wow.
Fall asleep at the wheel, they'll do that to you. And so I caught him, cut him out of a little apple tree, and I put him in here.
Wow.
And so what we are going to look at today is kind of like, how are they going to get through winter, right? Because man, we're into fall now, a single deep. And I had to give them all undrawn foundation except 2 frames.
Wow.
So 2 frames are drawn out, and I have 8 frames that aren't.
Okay.
If it doesn't work out where we don't think we can get them through winter, we can always combine them. I'm curious if they're going to be able to actually pull out any frames that I gave them this late in the year. I mean, they could use some goldenrod, and I could start feeding them to help them draw frames out, but it's going to be iffy on if they get many drawn out.
Well, hopefully they'll produce enough bees of winter physiology to make it.
Yeah, it would not be my first choice to try to overwinter this group of bees, but...
Would you combine them?
I probably would, yeah.
Ah.
All right, we got a little bee group working over there. Yeah, trying to draw some comb out on the edge. Same over there, but...
Foundation and...
Yeah.
That's about it so far.
Yep, that's it on that one, isn't it? So how has beekeeping been for you? Has it become a passion?
I have been, shall we say, bitten by the bee bug.
Oh yeah.
I've invested, and I know, you know, initially when you get into this, you think it's going to be a cheap endeavor. It's not.
No, it's not, is it?
It's not. But I've also listened to your advice, which says, and I go to a lot of the conferences and bee expos.
Yeah.
Don't buy everything that you see.
Oh, good. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. So they're trying to draw some comb out over here.
Yes, they are. So there's some comb raising up off that foundation.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
So they're working it.
Putting some nectar in it, yeah. And that's 2 from the walls, so maybe we'll get lucky and see more.
There you go. It's nice the tops of the frames are clean.
Yeah, brand new frames.
We just got
I know, yeah. Yeah, they haven't had a top deep on there yet to get messed up. So you've been bitten by the beekeeping bug.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good.
Sir.
Isn't that amazing how addictive we get to bees?
It is. If they're very calming. Yeah. For as active as they are.
Oh, yeah.
It's very calming to come out and watch.
Oh, absolutely.
The bees as they go in and out.
Yeah.
And as you have said on some of your podcasts, if you just watch the bees in the hive, you can learn a lot.
Yeah, let the bees
just by watching them.
Yeah, let the bees tell you what they're doing, you know.
Right.
That's amazing. But they are drawing out that foundation.
They are.
It's pretty impressive. Just putting nectar in those. I'm anxious to see what kind of brood we have, because you never know if you get the queen when you catch a swarm.
Right. Now that queen, was that caught locally here on your property?
Oh yeah, it was. Okay. Yeah, I watched them leave the hive and everything. And I can't remember, I kind of think she's marked, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see.
We're going to find out.
Yeah. So about time to start looking for her probably on these next few frames.
You know, I did a little trick to my boxes, and I put metal rails on both sides so the frames could set on them.
Oh, yeah,
Thinking that would help.
Yeah.
No, it didn't help.
Oh, no?
No, not really.
Okay. Wow, that frame is entirely drawn out.
Let's see, this side, they're just starting on this side.
Okay, yeah, I see that now, yeah. Okay, yep.
But this side, you say is, it's drawn out.
And because when they swarm, they are full. They gorge themselves on nectar. I've not seen any signs of brood yet.
Yeah.
That's all nectar, capped over nectar.
Keeping an eye out for a potentially marked queen as well.
Yeah, or maybe unmarked too.
Yeah, or maybe none at all.
Yeah, that's true. Let's smoke them again.
All right.
Be a good time to calm them down a little bit. I find that the more we smoke, the easier it is just to keep working them.
Sure.
Yeah.
And it keeps your smoker alive.
It does. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah.
All right, ladies. Let's step aside.
Well, I'm really betting this next one ought to have some brood on it. It really should.
Should we put a wager on this one?
Oh, no. I don't trust bees that much. I don't want to lose my money. I know bees too good to bet on them. They'll surprise you once you think you got them figured out.
Yeah, they don't read the same books we do.
Nope, they don't.
Not knowing where the queen is, I'm kind of
Oh yeah.
careful on how I extract
I appreciate
these
that.
frames.
All right.
Let's see here.
Yeah, let's move some bees to see if we can see what's down in the holes.
I'm seeing some, looks like liquidy stuff in there.
Yeah, it
Would
looks
that
like
be
nectar.
nectar?
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
like nectar
okay.
to me. Yeah. Let's check
You
this.
know, that's something I had with my hive this year. I had what seemed to be a lot of clear liquid, much like what you've got here. But they wouldn't cap it. And I don't know if the heat and humidity impacted that.
It could very well be, yeah.
So, and that's what I'm looking for in my hives right now to see if they're gonna cap it.
Okay. So this would tell me, because I can see from where I'm standing, glistening nectar here.
Yeah.
But I'm seeing like a darker color.
Oh, yeah.
And so I'm wondering if that's going to be eggs and larvae. If you can you look down in that and see?
Yep, it's eggs.
Let me take a look.
You guys have eagle eyes, because
Eagle eyes, yeah. Oh yeah, it's all eggs, yeah.
Is it like less than 3-day-old eggs?
Those eggs there.
Or is it like the 3 to 5 day?
Yeah, from
those
I
can see.
Those are 2-day-old eggs.
2 day, okay.
Yeah, it looks like those eggs are laying, almost starting to lay on this bottom. So that'd be about 2-day-old eggs, yeah. But let's look for the queen a little bit. Since, let me see if I can. She's a little harder to see in a group of bees. They're cold from the night.
Oh.
In here.
Hence the clustering.
Yeah.
Now, if she's marked, she'd be marked blue, correct?
Yeah, that's correct, yeah. All right, you got it?
Yep, I got it.
Well, I think we're going to see more brood on the next frame. Yeah. Yep, so when they lay the egg, after 3 days, it hatches into a larvae. And then the larvae grows until about day 8 when they cover it and it begins to pupate as a pupae. So it's possible they could have kept over brood in here. I think they've been in here 8 days. But see if she started laying right away. Sometimes a queen after a swarm may not lay for a minute. They thin her down so she can fly.
Oh, okay.
So they might have to kind of ready up her diet again to start laying really good. There's a lot of bees in here, actually.
Oof.
A lot of them hanging off the bottom, aren't they?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Hard to see there's so many bees, right? All right. Let me get my snoot in here and look. I'm going to grab it.
Sure,
So I can hold it back to the sun a little bit. Oh, yeah. It is all 1 to 2 day old larvae. Glistening in pools of world jelly, so it looks good.
Nice.
Yep. Let's see what this side looks like. Looks like a lot of bees.
Now, I notice you use a finger technique to kind of clear the frame.
Yeah.
Do you ever like breathe on them to move them?
No, I don't like to do that because someone once told me that they sense our breath maybe being like the breath of a bear.
Oh.
Another animal blowing on them. It could trigger them to be defensive. Other people blow on them and say they do fine blowing on bees, On YouTube, I know if you say one thing, you will have other people that will say, I've done that all my life and I've never had a problem. So bees are funny. I'm still kind of hoping we'd see the queen, but.
Yeah. Well, what is it? Ask one question, get 10 different answers?
Oh, yeah, that's true, isn't it? Because there's sometimes 10 right ways to do it.
Sure.
Everybody's entitled to their own opinion.
Sure.
I'll give that back to you.
All right, sir. Got it.
All right. I bet we're going to find the queen on the next frame.
Okay.
Why don't you leave that one out too?
Okay.
I know that'd be 2 outside, but that'll give us a little more wiggle room and smoke them again.
Yep. You know that little tool that you had suggested where you can lay a frame on the top?
Oh,
that little wood block?
Yeah.
I made one like that.
Oh, I know. They're great,
it's great.
They? Yeah. It keeps you from smashing bees when you got to lay a frame, like to catch the queen or something, you know. I know. I actually made a lot of those and sold them for a long time. And I just got tired of making them. And people were like, I want to buy one. I don't make them anymore.
If you got the tools, they're easy to make.
They are, aren't they? Yeah.
Yeah, this one's got some drawn out comb for sure.
That's amazing. That might be one that I gave them that had already drawn out comb on it. Looks a little aged, doesn't it?
Yeah. Here we go.
There are a lot of bees in there.
There are.
Here's a brand new frame. Let's see what they've done to that. Sometimes the queen will start laying eggs before they completely draw out the foundation. They'll draw it halfway and she'll start laying eggs in there. And they'll just complete it. Yeah, they drew that all the way out.
They have.
And again, it looks like there's nectar up here.
There's even pollen right there on one.
Yeah, there's pollen in here. Yeah.
Well, pollen on the legs of the bees.
Oh, I see. So they're already coming back in this morning, aren't they?
Yeah, it was right down in this area. There was
yeah.
There she is, right there.
Oh, got her. Yeah, that's goldenrod right there. Yeah. That's cool. It smells like goldenrod too.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I didn't see this side yet.
Yeah, it's really tough to see. Let me see what's on here. There's some eggs and larvae, so the queen could be here.
She has been, at least.
Yeah, she has been.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, yeah, blue dot. Look at that.
There she is.
Right here. Yeah. Well, I'll be darned. We found her.
Yeah.
It's a good swarm capture.
Yeah.
I'm going to let this hive kind of do this thing. I've got some time left. This is only the end of September. So I'm going to give them, I probably got a good month before I have to make a decision. But I'm going to let this, see how much they can really expand in this single deep.
Sure.
And then if I need to, I can try to overwinter it. I probably can. And if I can't, I can combine them with another hive. I might find another hive with a bad queen, and I could use this queen and combine it.
Sure.
So it's good to have this option.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what I would suggest you do, Mark,
Yes,
is take the hive tool and move all of these frames
up against.
Yeah, it's one.
Okay.
It's kind of walk it one side at a time,
Sure.
and that way you can just kind of ease them through there. I'll smoke them when you get close to get them off the edges there. Yeah, when we used to build frames ourselves, we would put those metal frame rests. You mean right in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of, it made them slide easier. Like you're doing now, they would slide across pretty nice.
Yeah. I've found that my bees, they like to propolize that stuff.
They do propolize everything, don't they? I know.
So, especially when it was hot and humid this past summer,
yeah, I know.
it was sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I think I ruined a pair of gloves just over 3 months.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
That's what motivated me to go barehanded years ago. I just got tired of so much propolis on my gloves,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, luckily, these gloves aren't that expensive.
No, that's right. They're not too bad.
And I'm not as brave as you yet.
Oh, this hive.
One day I'll get there.
this hive would be easy to work barehanded.
I'm sure.
It's a nice hive. Now that one goes the other way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go. Yeah, they're for some reason they're all on the entrance side.
Okay.
The grouping was, yeah. It may not matter, but why not put it back the way they had it?
Sure.
And now use your hive tool to kind of
even them out.
Yeah, get a good spacing on each wall side.
Yeah, that space there, they just fill it with burious cones.
They would, wouldn't they? Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, I do the same things.
Yeah.
I tell Tracy, hey, Tracy, we got to even these out.
Yeah. Tracy is someone you're mentoring?
Yeah, no, Tracy's my fiance.
Oh, is she helping you with the bees then?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, great.
She's got her own bee suit, everything.
Wonderful.
She loves this stuff.
Oh, neat.
So we share responsibilities.
Well, you should have brought her.
I didn't have enough time to tell you guys. So
okay. Well, that's fine.
Plus, she's working today.
Oh, okay. Very good. Mark, it's going to be interesting. A lot of people may be in the same boat. How do you get a swarm like this through winter? So
correct.
I'll kind of make this an episodic event. I'll make some episodes on this, getting this thing ready for winter or combining it.
Sure.
But they're off to a great start.
They are.
And they got nectar. We saw them bringing in pollen.
Right.
Drawing out some foundation.
Right.
They got a long way to go.
They do. They're not as strong as that hive, but they'll get there.
Yeah.
They'll get there.
Yeah.
Assuming they can make it through winter.
Yeah, that's right. So feeding them is going to be essential.
Yes,
I can really do miraculous things by feeding these bees.
Yes.
So I'll get a feeder on these and see what happens.
And using the honeybee kind boards.
Yeah.
that makes a huge difference.
Oh yeah, yeah. I could probably put a winter bee kind board on there all winter and get them through winter.
Probably.
That's a single deep, I know. I might even try that just to experiment and see, you know.
There you go.
The mite loads would be pretty low.
It should be.
Because, you know, they could have had mites from the other hive, but it had almost a 0 to 1, I think.
Oh, okay.
Nobody here has more than 2. So,
okay.
But now they don't have any generations of bees to produce the mites.
Right.
So it's going to take a minute for the mites to get built up. So we're probably in pretty good shape here.
Right.
Just build them up for winter.
Now, question for you.
Yeah.
There's another pest out there, and you've mentioned it on a couple of your podcasts, Tropolepis or something?
Tropolelaps.
Tropolelaps.
Yeah.
Are they much of a threat right now?
And not in America.
Okay.
They're another mite.
Okay.
And they're in Europe, or I think Eastern Europe, like maybe Ukraine, and we feel that it's just a matter of time.
Okay.
They're about 1/4 the size of the Varroa destructor mite. And
wow, that's
they're
small.
really small,
yeah.
And they behave differently. They really do. And so we're trying to do a lot of study on how to deal with them once they get here.
Okay.
And a lot of places here in America are training beekeepers how to test for them.
Okay.
Tropolelaps. So.
Has Europe developed a method to control those yet?
They're looking into it.
Okay.
Different parts of the world are trying different things and seeing what works best. And we even have scientists over there right now working with trying to find that best solution.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a lot different than Varroa mites. So our regular treatments with Varroa mites probably aren't going to cut it.
Right.
So we're going to have to change our game a little bit.
So we'll have to fight both if it gets here.
We'll probably have to fight both, but you know, we're already used to doing that, right? Already we're fighting small hive beetle and the Varroa mite.
Right.
And oftentimes the things that we treat mites with don't affect the beetles, right?
Right.
So, you know, we're already dealing with that. So I think beekeepers will rise to the occasion.
Well, we're going to have to.
We're going to have to, right?
Have to. That's right.
That's right.
Embrace it and do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks, Mark. That was a lot of fun. You did great working that hive, by the way.
Well, thank you. Thank you. A little bit of experience with mine and a lot of education from you.
Well, thank you.
Has paid off.
Oh, good. Well, I appreciate that.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, if you guys want to watch another video I just made of Patrick and I answering your beekeeping questions, having fun, take a look at this video right over here. We'll see you guys over there.